This is the AI News Flash for March 20th, 2 p.m. UTC. First up, the Trump administration has officially released its National AI Policy Framework today, urging Congress to pass unified federal legislation. The framework covers 7 key areas: child safety, free speech and anti-censorship, energy and infrastructure, innovation promotion, intellectual property protection, workforce development, and community protection. A critical provision asserts federal preemption over state AI laws. The White House is calling for a single national standard rather than 50 different state regulations, arguing that fragmented rules impose undue burdens on innovation. On data center energy costs, the framework states ratepayers should not foot the bill and proposes streamlined permitting for on-site power generation. For intellectual property, it seeks to balance creator rights with AI's fair use of training data. Next, Bloomberg reports that Meta, Alphabet, and Microsoft have joined the CDX Investment Grade Credit Default Swap Index effective today. The CDX is a 125 company gauge updated every 6 months, and this edition reflects surging demand to hedge against big tech's massive AI-related debt issuance. Morgan Stanley expects hyperscaler borrowing to reach $400 billion this year, up from $165 billion in 2025. Just a year ago, individual credit default swaps on these tech giants barely existed. Outstanding contracts now total nearly $900 million on Alphabet debt and $690 million on Meta debt. The credit market is clearly pricing in AI bubble risk as these companies take on unprecedented levels of debt to fund their AI build-outs. Third, South Korea's Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute, or ETRI, has developed the world's first 224 gigabit per second electroabsorption modulated laser for AI data centers. This EML device doubles the previous standard of 100 gigabits per second, while measuring just 0.2 by 0.85 millimeters. By integrating a photonic mode converter, optical coupling efficiency jumps from 50% to 85%. The technology targets next-generation 800 gigabit and 1.6 terabit class optical modules used inside hyperscale data centers. As AI workloads push copper interconnects to their physical limits, optical solutions like this are becoming essential. The device could significantly reduce energy consumption and packaging costs for optical transceivers and AI infrastructure. Finally, Micron Technology posted record quarterly revenue of $23.86 billion, a staggering 196% year-over-year increase driven by explosive AI memory demand. Non-GAAP earnings per share came in at $12.20, beating analyst expectations of $8.79 by nearly 39%. This marks Micron's 4th consecutive quarter of record performance. The outlook is even more striking. Micron guided fiscal Q3 revenue to $33.5 billion, with gross margins expected to reach approximately 81%. HBM memory is completely sold out for 2026, and the AI memory supercycle is now in full force. Memory semiconductors have firmly established themselves as the backbone of AI infrastructure investment. That's all for this AI News Flash.